Kali is still the king, but in 2025, the battlefield has changed. New tools are needed for cloud, automotive, and modern web attacks. In today's video, top 30 Kali tools you must learn right now. Educational use only. Do not perform unauthorized testing. Obtain written permission and follow local laws. Welcome to Shield Spectrum. Today we'll cover 30 essential tools from network reconnaissance to post-exploitation. For each tool, I'll briefly explain what it does and when to use it. Network scanning and enumeration tools. Nmap, port scanning, service detection, and NSE scripting. The first step, port scanning, Nmap, target IP, or domain, basic port discovery against the target. Service detection, Nmap-SV target. IP identifies services and versions running on open ports. Default NSE scripts. Nmap-SC target. IP runs the default set of NSE, Nmap scripting engine. Scripts for common checks. When to use Nmap. Detailed port and service discovery. OS and service version. Detection vulnerability checks using NSE Nmap. Scripting engine scripts. Network security audits. Mass scan. To quickly scan entire networks, internet scale scanning, need root permission, basic port scan, mass scan IP-P. 80 performs a simple scan of that IP. Multiple ports, mass scan IP-P80, 443, 22 scan several ports at once. High rate / large scans, mass scan IP/24 P80 - rate. 10,000 scans a whole /24 subnet across all ports at a very high packet rate. Use responsibly and only on targets you have explicit permission to test. When to use mass scan. Scanning very large network ranges when you need extremely fast port discovery. Internet scale scanning. Time-sensitive operations. NetDiscover perfect for finding devices on the local network. Automatic scan. NetDiscover runs a passive active scan on available interfaces. Scan a specific interface. NetDiscover-I ETH0. Target the ETH0 interface for the scan. When to use NetDiscover. Device discovery on the local network. ARP-based live host detection. Finding unauthorized devices on the network. Rapid network mapping. Recon-ng. Recon framework. OSINT and data source integration. Start Recon-ng. Recon-ng launches the framework. List available modules. Show modules displays all modules you can load. Workspace management. Create a workspace. Workspaces. Create example.com makes a new workspace for the target. List workspaces. Workspaces list shows all existing workspaces. When to use Recon-ng. Collect OSINT about a target. Subdomain enumeration. Gather contact and employee information. Harvest publicly available information. The harvester collects email addresses, subdomains, and public footprint. The harvester is an OSINT, open source intelligence, tool used to gather email addresses, subdomains, host names, and other publicly available information. Subfinder, fast subdomain finder, passive and active. Subfinder is a fast, passive subdomain discovery tool that collects subdomains from reliable sources. Maltego, visual link analysis, relationship mapping. Maltego is a powerful OSINT and forensic tool used to visualize data relationships. Maltego is a powerful tool for analyzing complex data relationships. Vulnerability analysis tools. Nessus, vulnerability scanning and reporting, extensive plugin support. Download Nessus from Tenable official website. Use a search engine to find it. The site will automatically detect your OS and present the correct installer. Download that file. Once the download is complete, install the file you downloaded. Make sure to use sudo during installation to ensure proper permissions. To start the Nessus service, start systemctl, start Nessus, enable at boot check status. Access the Nessus web interface at https://localhost:8834. Here you can create an account using a temporary email address. After providing a temporary email and completing everything in the create account process, verify your email and set your login username and password. Once the download is complete, it will take some time for the full setup. After everything is configured, all options will be enabled. Click on Create a new scan and here you will find many scanning options. Choose and run the scan according to your requirements. OpenVAS, open source solution, deep vulnerability checks, uses of OpenVAS, network vulnerability scanning, web application security testing, compliance checks, PCI DSS HIPAA, security audits and reporting. NICTO check web server configuration issues and dangerous files, commands, basic scan, NICTO-H, target domain scans a web server, specific port scan, NICTO-H, google.com-p443, scans a particular port, when to use, NICTO, web application penetration testing, web server security audits, regular security assessments, checking development environments. WAPD Black Box, web application scanner, fast and lightweight, basic web app scan, WAPT- you scan the given URL, scan a specific port, WAPT- you domain : port, include the port in the target URL, why use WAPT, low resource usage, lightweight, scans without needing source code, black box, multiple attack modules available, exports reports in various formats, vulnerabilities, WAPT can detect, SQLI, XSS, command injection, file disclosure, CRLF injection, XXE injection, SSRF. Nuclei, template-based, fast vulnerability scanner. Nuclei is a fast template-based vulnerability scanner that uses YAML templates to scan targets. FFUF web fuzzing, directory/file brute forcing, and fuzz payloads. FFUF is an extremely fast web fuzzing tool used for directory file discovery, parameter fuzzing, and content discovery. WP, scan WordPress, site and plugin vulnerability scanner. WP Scan is a WordPress specific vulnerability scanner used to identify security issues in WordPress, sites, themes, and plugins. Why use WP Scan? WordPress, specific specialized for WordPress environments, plugin scanning, theme scanning, user enumeration, API integration, access to the WP Scan vulnerability database for up-to-date checks. Web application testing tools. Burp Suite Proxy Scanner and Intruder, the web testing standard. Main functions: traffic interception, vulnerability scanning, manual testing, automated attacks. Key tools: proxy capture and inspect traffic, repeater manual request modification and replay for testing, intruder automated attacks, fuzzing, brute forcing, scanner find vulnerabilities automatically, sitemap, view, site structure, and discovered endpoints, real use cases, bypassing login mechanisms for authorized testing, gaining admin access in a lawful engagement, data exfiltration simulation to test defenses, performing security tests, and many other web security assessments. OWASP ZAP free and open alternative, automation tooling support. OWASP ZAP, Z-Attack Proxy, is a powerful free alternative to Burp Suite. It's a full framework for web application security testing. Primary use cases for OWASP ZAP: penetration testing, website crawling and mapping, and practical use by bug bounty hunters. SQL Map automatic discovery and exploitation of SQL injection. Automatic SQLI detection reduces the need for manual testing. Advanced exploitation capabilities for extracting data, fingerprinting databases, and running SQL payloads. DERB directory, brute forcing, finding hidden files. DERB tools used to discover hidden directories and files in web applications. Security testing use cases: finding admin panels, identifying configuration files, locating backup files, checking for exposure of sensitive data. Like DERB, there's DERB Buster. It's a UI tool, so it's easier to use. People who have trouble with the command line can use it. Exploitation frameworks, tools, Metasploit, a top tool for developing and running exploits, pre-installed in Kali Linux. Metasploit is the world's most popular penetration testing framework used by security professionals for vulnerability assessment and exploit development. You can also create payloads to exploit target devices like mobile phones and PCs. Cobalt Strike, advanced post-exploitation for red team operations. Main functions: advanced post-exploitation, red team operations, social engineering, communication channels, reporting and analysis. Sliver, a modern C2 framework for red team ops. Key features of Sliver: cross-platform, single binary, multiplayer, encrypted communications, open source, completely free. Mimikatz Credential, harvesting from Windows memory. Mimikatz is a powerful tool used to extract credentials, passwords, hashes, tokens stored in memory on Windows systems. Passwords and credential attacks tools. Hashcat, GPU optimized hash cracking. Hashcat is the world's fastest and most advanced password recovery tool that leverages the full power of GPUs. It works well for password cracking. John the Ripper, John, supports many hash formats for password cracking. John the Ripper is a powerful open source password security auditing and password recovery tool that supports multiple hash formats. Hydra, online service brute forcing, SSH, FTP, HTTP, etc. Hydra is a fast and flexible online password cracking tool used to perform brute force attacks against various network protocols. Wireless and Bluetooth attacks tools. Aircrack-ng Wi-Fi password cracking and auditing. Aircrack-ng is a complete suite of tools used for Wi-Fi network security assessment. Kismet, used for wireless sniffing, AP discovery, and as an IDS. Kismet is a powerful wireless network detector, sniffer, and intrusion detection system. Blue Hydra, Bluetooth device discovery and tracking. Blue Hydra is used to discover, identify, and track nearby Bluetooth devices. Fern Wi-Fi, Cracker GUI-based Wi-Fi auditing tool. Fern Wi-Fi Cracker provides a graphical interface for Wi-Fi auditing, password recovery, and common wireless tests. Forensics and reverse engineering tools. Autopsy, digital forensics platform used for file recovery and artifact analysis. Autopsy is a graphical digital forensics platform used for file recovery, artifact analysis, and the examination of digital evidence. Volatility is a memory forensics framework used for recovering processes, configurations, and analyzing volatile memory. Reverse engineering tools are Radar 2 and Ghidra. Radar 2, a command line reversing framework. Ghidra, a free software reverse engineering SRE tool used for disassembly and decompiling. Ghidra is a powerful software reverse engineering framework developed by the NSA used for disassembly, decompilation, and analysis. Key features of Ghidra: decompilation generates human-readable C code from machine code. Collaboration allows multiple users to work simultaneously on the same project. Scripting supports Python and Java scripting for automation and customization. Social engineering and phishing tools. Set Social Engineer Toolkit. Phishing, malicious email and social engineering platform. SET is a powerful social engineering framework used in penetration testing to implement phishing attacks, create malicious payloads, and execute a wide range of social engineering techniques. GoPhish, open source phishing campaign manager. Reporting. GoPhish is a powerful open source phishing framework that simplifies the process of simulating phishing campaigns, making it ideal for security awareness training and testing. When you run GoPhish, a password will be generated for logging into the admin panel. The admin can use that generated password to log in and then reset it, or set a new password to access the admin panel. Make sure you install GoPhish first. Key features: user-friendly web interface, easy campaign management, email sending, built-in, SMTP support, landing pages, customizable phishing pages, tracking and analytics, real-time campaign metrics, reporting detailed results and statistics, API support for automation and integration. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and like. You can also share it with your friends so they get the chance to learn too. Thanks for watching.